Hello children. Children, today I am going to explain how to read and write large numbers using place value chart. What is place value chart, children? Place value tells us the value of each digit in a numeral based on its position, and it helps us to recognize large numbers. Children, we have two type of place value chart. One is Indian place value chart and another one is international place value chart. Today I am going to explain how to read and write large numbers using Indian place value chart. So this is your Indian place value chart, children. Here you can see we have the table, and this first row is of periods and second row is of places. Okay. Now children, here you can see 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. You can see here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These are your places, and this ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are your periods. So from the right, children, from the right, first 3 places form ones period. Here you can see ones, tens, 100. These 3 places form ones period. Next 2 columns, children, 1000 column and 10,000 column. These 2 places forms thousands period. Next 2 places lakhs, 10 lakhs. These 2 places form lakhs period. Next 2 column crores, and next 10 crores. These 2 places form crores period. Okay, and while reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together, and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. Now let's do one example. Now here children, you can see write number name. First one is 57. So it is very simple. You all know how to write 57. So I have written 57 over here in words. Next is 105. Now we have to write it in words, or you can also say we have to write number name of 105. So what you will do, children, here I have already made Indian place value chart. So we will start from 5, this 5. Okay, we will write this 5 at ones place. So I am writing this 5 at ones place. Next we will write 0 at tens place. Next we will write 1 at hundreds place. So how you will read it, children? 105. You can see here I have written in words 105, the number name of 105. Okay, now next question is 6789. So what you will do here, children? You will again arrange these numbers in this place value chart. So here I am going to explain how you will write this. So I am writing 6, 7, 8 and then 9 over here. Now children, look here from right side, 9 we have to write at ones place, then we have to write 8 at tens place, then we have to write 7 at hundreds place, then we have to write 6 at thousands place. Okay, now children, after this what you will do, you will put commas after every period. Here you can see ones, tens, 100. This is in ones period, so I am putting comma over here. Okay, so how you will read this number? 6789. Okay, so here I have written the answer 6789. In this way you all have to write the number name. Okay, now here you have to write numbers in figures. So children, you can see here first number name is 102. Okay, so what we will do, children, you all know in 102 how many digits? 3 digits. So first we will make space in this way, 3 digits, and then we will write 102. So in this way you have to complete these questions. Here you can see I have written it in figure, and 99 you will write it in this way. Moving to the next page. Now you have to write the number name for this large number. You can see here. So your first step is to arrange this number in the Indian place value chart. You can see here we have to start from right side. This is your ones, tens, this is tens, okay, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and next one is crore. And after every period you have to put a comma. Ones, tens, hundred will form one period, thousand, 10,000 will form one period, lakh, 10 lakh will form one period. So now how you will read this number? Let's check. So here you can see I have written the answer how you will read this number. Okay, so here your answer will be 5 crore 3 lakh 94,681. In this way you have to write the number name. Moving to the, so now look here children, here our number is this one and we have to write this number in words. Okay, so what we will do children, here we will start from 5 and we will arrange these numbers in Indian place value chart. You can see here I have written 5 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000 and 3 in lakhs place. So what we will do here children, once starting from 5 we will write the place. First I have written ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, okay, then 10,000, then lakh. Now after every period we have to put comma. 2, 4, 5 will come in ones period, 5, 6 will come in thousands period, and 3 will come in lakhs period. So how you will read this? 3,56,245. Okay, in this way you have to write the number name. Moving to the next page. Now look here children, here our question is this one. This is a big large number. We have to write the number name for this number. Okay, so what we will do here children, ones, tens, first we will write the places, ones, tens, then 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakh. Okay, after that, after every period we will put a comma. 617 will come in ones period, this one will, these two will come in thousands period, these two will come in lakhs period. So how you will write children? Answer will be 23 lakh 19 thousand 617. So in this way you have to write the number name. Okay, moving to the next page. So look here children, here are we have some important points. Now children, I am going to explain the first question. Here what is written, 1 10 equals 10 ones. Okay, so children, you all know 1 10. Here in place of 10 I can write 10, and here in place of ones, this ones, this is ones, I can write 10 into 1. So you can see here both right side and left side both are equal. It means here your answer is 10 equals 10. Okay, now moving to the next question, I am going to explain B part. 1000 is written THOUSAND and equals 10 hundreds. Okay, now you all know 1000 equals this much. 1000 have 3 zeros. Then in place of this hundreds I am going to write 100 and it will be equal to 1000. So you can see right hand side and left hand side both are equal. Now I am going to explain D part. This is your 1 lakh 10,000. You all know how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? Very good, 5 zeros. So how you will write this, children? I have written here 10 thousands. So THOUSANDS. Okay. So in place of this 10, I am writing 10 over here, and this 1000 I am writing 1000 over here. And what will be the answer, children? Here we will be having 1 lakh. Okay, now you can see here C part, 1 lakh equals this much, and here we have the same answer. Okay, so in this way you have to complete these questions. Moving to the next page. Now you have to write the number name, children. Do it yourself. I think you all are correct and you have got the same answer. Moving to the next question. So here, children, you have to write 1 lakh equals how many thousands. Let's check whether you are correct or not. So 1 lakh equals 100 thousands. Moving to the next question. Now you have to write the number name for this figure, this numeral. Let's check whether you are correct or not. I think you all are correct. You all have written the correct answer. Okay. Now last one question. Here I have already written the answer. Please check your answer also. With this we come to an end, and I hope these questions are clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.